Hi, everybody. Just had a few things that I'm going to unmold, some stuff that I was experimenting with and trying to learn some new techniques with. And so I just thought maybe you guys would like to see the unmold and just have a little simple little video here. So we'll start with the first one I did, which is a bear, sorta. It's a chunky monkey bear. And this one, let's see how it came out. And then if it came out cool, I'll tell you how I did it. It's kind of like what I was doing the other day, dropping with that skull, dropping the colors in and dropping in the Light Wish Starry Nights to see what would happen. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is cute. All right, let me see if I can. Oh, there you go. You see that? You see how cute that is? Holy moly. All right, how do I get that? Let me get this light over here. Ah, there's stuff flying all over the place. I want you to be able to see. I know, this is not right. Someday I'll have a real studio. Trying to see how I can show you what this is like. There you go. Look at that. Look how cool that is. Whoa, I love it. I did this with the coffee colored alcohol ink and a little bit of this. I know this is not actually unicorn spit. I've always known that, but that's what I call it anyway. But it's a Rainbow by Marabou, and I put a little bit of that in here. So I think you can see. Let's see. That's really cool. That is really cool. He's clear on top, but he looks brown all over. He needs some eyes. Oh, but he looks very cute. And depending on how you look at him, he's not solid brown. Oh, I like it. I like it a lot. I hope you guys think that's cute. I had some extra resin last night, so I poured this little hedgehog planter. And these are usually really easy to unmold. So this is, I forgot what color this is. That's weird. Hold on, I need light real quick. Oh, that's interesting. Because this is actually like a dark blue and then a seashell white. And that's just really interesting because that blue looks almost brown black. Let me get the little eyeball real quick because he needs to see. Yeah, he needs to see. There's one eyeball. It's just like instant. Welcome to the world, little one. Welcome to the world. Oh, that's messy. I'll have to fix that later. Let me find the right pen. You're fine. You're just so cute. I'll just put a little bit on the nose, just a whittle. Oh, got too much on the nose. Okay. Oh, that came out cute. That is cute. It's like a skunk hedgehog. He needs his little mouth. I can't do it with this pen. This is not one of those ones that the tip comes out. And it's a permanent marker, so that'll be on my hands all day. That's okay, though. That's okay. It's a cute little mold, really is. One of my favorites. I think it comes out really cute. I actually want to put a little tiny pink on the nose and trim up the little feet. There's a little bit of trim needs to be done. But it's cute. It's so cute. I put the bear in it. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 doo, 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 doo. It's cute. On his way to Woodstock. There you go. Park over there. Park by the love. All right, one more. See, this is just a fast video that I just wanted to share with y'all. This is a frog, and we're hoping my boys here. Let me pull my boys over here. Pickle. This is Pickle. Pickle was born right here on this desk. This is Mama. She doesn't have a name. That's okay. She was born somewhere else. But, oh wait, this is a boy frog. They're boys. Never mind. Never mind. This is Papa. Who am I? I am not a frog expert. I don't know what's what. What's what? Oh, let's get this baby. I gotta go off camera because this little baby is deep inside this little mold. Ooh. Holy moly. Holy moldy. 100%. Ugh. Oh, my poor knuckles. Oh, yeah. Just grab it, grab it, grab it. Oh, okay, here we go. Holy moly. Okay. Okay. This is very crazy. She has makeup on already. You see her eyeshadow I put on and little pokey dots. Let's get her to see if we can get her eyes drawn in. Not with that. Nope. Not with that. Sorry. Because when I was doing it, I was like, let's just put some eyeshadow on and see how that comes out. Oh, here's what I want. I want my Sharpie. That's a good one. So let's get her eyes colored in. Aww. I figured they needed a little female frog. That Pickle might want to get married. Or, I don't know if frogs get married. I don't know. I think I've seen frogs in wedding clothes before. Haven't we all? Or was that a dream? Is that a dream? I don't know. I just don't know. Now I put little red lips on her. See, now can you see she's got her eyeshadow? She's ready to go out on the town. This frog over here is going, she looks like a hussy to me. Are you a hussy? She's like, no. He's like, I like hussies. Mwah. Hey, stop that. Stop it right now. What are their babies gonna look like? Okay, guys. That was it. Just a little unmolding. All right, you boys go back over here. Pickle. And I don't know, Pickle Senior, Pickle Junior. So this is my newest frog. I think she could use a little antique bit, just a bit, you know, just to enhance a few parts of her. Like she's not wearing enough makeup. Excuse me. And here's my little favorite hedgehog mold. Oof. Kind of looks like a badger with the way that the badger kind of looks like a badger the way that this came out. Yeah, kind of like a badger. Oh I did these little things too. I already took them out. I don't know if you can see. They're really cute. Move out of the way. Oh, maybe not. Maybe you can't see. Too close. Whoa. Whoa, I'm electrified. It's pretty cool what's going on. How is that happening? Even happening? Ooh. That's so weird. That's fun, but that's weird. Like, this is the lightweight drops that, came down like this. Oh, I wish you guys could see in here. It's really cute. Really cute. Let me grab this. I don't know what it is. Paper. It's just paper. It went all the way down, or you can kind of see it right there with my hand there. Because it did go all the way down to the bottom. Oh, crud. Well, let me go faster on this one because obviously these are hard to see. This one's easier. They look really cool in person. Really cool. Well, anyway. Okay, Sarah. This one looks really neat too, but it's hard to see. Now, does this one turn that color on my hand? Not really. That's interesting. What is that? Oh, that's a boo-boo. That's a cat boo-boo. That's from the other kitty. The new kitty. Uh, well, he's just visiting. All right. That was it. It was short. The shortest one I've done yet. Just remember, everybody, that this is the most important thing. This is what will save the world. This right here. Love, love, love. So please love each other. Love yourself. I love you. I love you so much. Thank you for being here. Thank you. I just don't know. I'm going to do another video where I'm going to actually pour. But this was kind of, I just thought you might want to see like what I'm trying to figure out when y'all aren't around. What I'm trying to do. Just experimenting. This was a more. The makeup I like. The color and the blue, dark blue, almost black polka dots. I don't know. Maybe I don't know. I don't know what I would do different. Maybe none of the, just leave her more like translucent. I think this one's just adorable. When it gets this little pink nose, it's going to look so cute. Oh my God. This is really cute. Super, super cute. Put a little candle in it. So cute. It really is. Oh, it's just adorable. Okay. Like I said, love you. Thank you for being here. Subscribe, like, love. Have a good day. All of the above. Okay? I love you very much. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay. Bye. Go on. Oh, there we go. Okay. Here we go.